level 2 and D&D Beyond to figure out all that stuff?
No.
Yes. Yeah, Autumn, you need to reset you to level 2. I have 16 hit points.
Oh, okay. Yeah, seems fair for a wizard. You didn't happen to get another book that was on the deck for the wizard?
What was the notebook for?
That is for the DM to know and for you to find out. Solve it.
It's not marshmallow and
A perception check.
12.
Oh my gosh. 6.
Okay.
That's with proficiency bonuses.
I don't see perception.
It's under wisdom. PP, I mean.
Oh, I get plus 5? 11. 16.
Oh, okay. And what did you roll wrong? 12?
Yeah.
Autumn, you would notice, slithering up on the wall a different snake.
Bruh, I do not like this.
But it's very hard to notice. Very hard to notice. It looks like it's traveling back up to the top level through like a small caverns area.
It's
in the-
camouflage.
Yeah, it's very well camouflaged. Kind of just like posted up almost. Nobody notices this thing, and it's not really even causing alarm. But you do kind of notice something weird on the top level. So
Okay.
go with the cover on, right?
Oh. Yeah. So should I tell them there's a snake? Do y'all see that snake?
What's the name?
That snake right there on the wall.
Is it familiar to the familiar?
Well, it's not really something that you really notice as being like you wouldn't recognize it or anything like you do this. But obviously it's watching someone or something on the top level.
Well, does his say anything to us? Or
No, this is already left
Oh.
on the road. He already went
It's
back.
like, man, what is up with all these snakes?
I'm guessing y'all want to head up the stairs to see what he's watching. You're gonna see a man, an elf man, dressed very. He's muscular. He's not super huge or anything like that. He's definitely shorter than you. I would say he's probably about 6'5", 6'6". Well built, not dressed in what you would assume a wood elf would be dressed in. He has pelts of